Hi, beautifuls. I'm Tiffany, also known as Naturally Chic, where we believe that chic is simply how you construct classy, so do it naturally. If this is your first time watching, welcome. And if this is not your first time, you've been here a few times, but you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any uploads. I'm trying to do better in the year 2024, so I guarantee you will start seeing me each and every week. So today I want to share with you some pieces that I picked up from XPLUSWEAR. If you have not shopped there, what are you doing? I like some of their clothing. I'm not gonna lie, I like them. It's very affordable. It's online. Always look at the reviews and make sure that you're going according to your measurements. That way you know that you're getting the perfect size for you. So I usually am an extra large on 1X. Really, I'm a 14-16. However, because the hips and sometimes the bust or the arms, I typically may go up to a 2X. So I think all of these are in a 2X because I want to make sure that I had the perfect size for me. So I thank you to XPLUSWEAR for sponsoring this portion of the video. Let's get into the clothing. So this first piece that I picked up, it really is a nice piece. I was shocked. When I tell you I was shocked and really overshocked because I had to take it to the tailor. Because as you can see, it is a tad too big in the waist. And I did pick this up in the X plus 2X, but this has a lot of stretch. This item has a lot of stretch, but it is so nice and cute, right? Perfect for the fall, even into the spring. You can dress this up so many ways, but I loved it. I'm not too like it. I don't too much like that it has all the shine, but it is cute. Really, that's just the camera because in person it's not as shiny as it is on camera, but I really do like this piece. It really is nice. It felt good. It felt good on my body. The faux leather was nice, but as you see, it comes off your shoulder. You can wear it up if you don't particularly like that, but it does come off your shoulder. The pants are a little wide leg, but for me, I did have to take it to the tailors to get it pinned up in the waist because it was literally too big, but I was able to camouflage it. As you see, I was able to camouflage that. So yes, that was a nice choice for me for the first pick. So for the second pick, I really love how this dress accentuated every curve. This is really figure flattering. If you have a fupa like myself, yes, this was perfect because I was able to the band goes across the front. If if you want to show a little leg, hey, it gives you leg. I am 5'1", so I don't have that much leg to show you, but she's gonna be out, right? She's going to be out. Big legs and all, they're gonna be out. But if you want to be more modest, just bring the little slit, the little lapel over in the front. It covers everything. But this is a perfect dress that you can really have in your closet year round. She is, when I tell you, she was so good and felt so good, felt luxurious. You see how I paired her? She really is that key for your closet. So let me know what you all think about this one because I really liked it. So this dress, it's cute. I'm not gonna lie, it is cute. If you are top heavy like me, you will have to wear some pasties. You will have to wear some pasties because it does cut low as you see, but then it has like a high waist, so it's very forgiving for your waist. So it kind of has a little ruching, but it was nice. It kind of held you in. So the waist, kind of snuck you in, but you didn't really get to see the fupa, which was really nice. So it gave you something for your shape. It's very flattering. But like I said, if you are top heavy, you will have to wear pasties or something like that, or either a bra that has the really low cut because she is low cut, so she's gonna show. If you don't like that, then you can probably find something to wear up under it. But she's very cute. This is a very sexy dress as well, because it is very becoming and it's very flattering. So if you Want to hide some things in there, you can, but still be sexy. That's the thing. Still be classy, chic, and sexy. It's depending on how you want to wear it. My last and final piece was this gray. I've seen this a few times on, I think, Pinterest. And the first time I saw it, I was like, okay, I have to have that. When I saw it on XPLUSWEAR, I'm like, okay, I have to have it. When I got it, I did not realize it was 3 pieces. I thought the top was all in one, but I like the fact because if I don't want to wear the top, the hood, the headpiece, I don't have to. So I really like that because I can wear that well into the spring. This is a nice material. It's not, it's thick enough so that you don't see through it, but it's not thick enough that you're going to be hot. So you could easily put a jacket on this, a coat over this, and go out. Or you can throw some boots on or sneakers. This is a great casual piece that you can wear well into the spring, that will transition in the spring with you. But this is just a cute casual look. It is very figure flattering, but this is really nice. So I really love these pieces, especially this one. This was one of my favorites because I've been eyeing it for a while, but I just didn't know where to get it. So when I saw it, guess who grabbed it? She did. Yeah, I did. So guys, I hope you all liked the video on today. Let me know below in the comments which was your favorite piece. If they were all, then that's great. If they are still available, I will make sure to have them linked along with my code so that you can get a little coin off and save you a little money in this new year. But y'all, let me know what you all liked about the video, what you didn't like, and what you would like to see in the next video. Until later, make sure that you all take care, and make sure that you're following me on all social media platforms under Naturally Chic. Until then, I will see you later. I just enjoy